A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for horse. H for horse. Match the following. Let's find first letter. First letter is A. Where is A? A. Join. Where is A? A. Need to join A. Now B. Where is B? Here. So join B. Now C letter. Where is C? Here. So join C. Now D. Where is D? Here. Join D. Now E letter. Where is E? Here. Join E. Now F letter. Where is F? Here. Join F. Now G letter. Where is G? Here. Join G letter. Now H letter. Where is H? Here. Join H. Thank you.